everyone! Welcome back to Ep1 TV. I am Miss DJ and I'm going to be your study buddy for today. With a joyful heart and an empowered mind and spirit, learn along with me and let's be math galing! So now, bring out your pen and your self-learning module as we demystify the mathematical world of sets. In today's episode, we are going to learn a whole bunch of things about sets. But first, let us answer these pre-assessment questions. You have 3 seconds to answer each question. Timer! 1. Which of the following is a well-defined set? A. A set of beautiful sceneries. B. A set of good basketball players. C. A set of Philippine presidents. D. A set of successful leaders. Timer! The correct answer is letter C, a set of Philippine presidents. Second question. Which of the following is a symbol of a null or an empty set? Timer! The correct answer is letter D. That is the symbol for a null or an empty set. Third question. Which symbol is used to indicate the intersection of sets? Timer! Good job! The correct answer is letter A. This is the symbol to indicate the intersection of sets. Fourth question. The following is a subset of set R which contains the letters N, E, and W except A. The set containing N, E, W. B. The set containing E. C. The set containing 0. D. The set containing E and W. Timer! So, what is your answer? Perfect! The correct answer is letter C. For our fifth and last pre-assessment question, which of the following set has the cardinality equals to 5? Is it A? Set A is the set of counting numbers less than 5. B. Set B is the set of letters in the word razor. C. Set C is the set of positive multiples of 5. Or D. Set D is the names of the fingers. Timer! The correct answer here is letter D, since this set has 5 elements which are used to name the different fingers in either hands. We will explore more on cardinality of sets later. Triangles have been regarded as a symbol of the Trinitarian belief by Christians, while a Filipino song entitled Tatsulok, originally performed by Buklod and popularized by Bamboo, has politically used it to symbolize inequalities in our society. Now, how do we describe a triangle? First, it has 3 sides. It has 3 interior angles whose sum is always equal to 180 degrees, and its shape is recognizable as one with a base, and opposite it is a vertex of the triangle, which for certain types of triangle is referred to as its apex. In this collection, which does not belong to the group? Correct. The odd one out is the four-sided figure placed on the fourth spot. Now, what is the term used for the collection of objects or quantities? In mathematics, a well-defined group or collection of objects that share the same characteristics is called set. The objects found in the set are called elements. A set can be named using capital letters from A to Z. And we use braces to group the elements of the set separated by commas. If a set contains many elements, we often use T-dots called ellipses. Note that in listing the elements in the set, each distinct element is listed once and the order of the element does not matter. This means that a set can be written in different order but shall pertain to the same set, like in set J, which are the letters in the word idol. This set is the same as set J, which contains L, O, D, I. To understand what makes sets well-defined, let me give you some examples. First, set M is the set containing primary colors, and we read this as set M contains the elements red, yellow, and blue. Second, set S is the set of letters in the word Sipnayan. Set S contains the element S, I, P, N, A, and Y. And set E is the set of all even numbers. Thus, set E contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Here, on the other hand, are not well-defined sets. The set of famous dancers, the set of honest people, the set of punctual students in your class. Why? Because our view of fame, honesty, and punctuality may be subjective. So, we could come up with different lists of famous, or honest, or punctual people. As my way to confirm that you have learned something from our discussion, let us answer the following questions. Match the descriptions in column A with the word or words being described in column B. Write your answer in the space provided. Number 1. These are the objects contained in the set. The correct answer is letter E. Elements are the objects contained in the set. Number 2. A well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. That is letter B. Set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. Number 3. It is represented by 3 dots, which is used to indicate that a set has many or infinite elements. The correct answer is letter C. Ellipsis. Ellipsis is represented by 3 dots, which is used to indicate that a set has many or infinite elements. Number 4. A symbol used to group the elements of a set. The correct answer is letter D. The brace symbol is used to group the elements of a set. Now, we shall go deeper into sets and relationships in sets. But first, let us add the following words to our vocabulary to be able to express ourselves concisely and proficiently in the language of sets. The words are subset, universal set, empty set, cardinal number of sets, and disjoint sets. Let me give you a concrete example. The given is set A contains the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this, we need to find 1, the set of odd numbers. 2. The set of all factors of 10. 3. The set of multiples of 4. And 4. The set of negative integers. Let's say, in this case, A is the universal set. If you form another set from set A, say set O, consisting only of the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10, then we can say that set O is a subset of set A. Please take note that a set is a subset of another if each of the elements of the former is an element of the latter. Again, using the same set A, let's say we have two more sets that are subsets of set A. These are set O and set B. We see here that set O and set B are disjoint sets because they do not have elements in common. How about number 4 in the given problem? Can we draw out negative integers from our given set, set A? Okay, none. The empty set or null set is denoted by a circle slashed with a slant line in the middle. Did you know that you can insert this symbol in Microsoft Word by typing 2205 Alt X? That's awesome, right? And lastly, the cardinal number of a finite set A is the unique counting number n, such that the elements of set A have one-to-one correspondence with the elements of the set 1, 2, 3, ellipsis up to n. For example, set A contains A, E, I, O, U. This only means that the cardinality of set A here is 5. Therefore, if we are to answer number 5 in our pre-assessment earlier, which of the following set has the cardinality equals to 5? Is it A? Set A is the set of counting numbers less than 5. Set B is the set of letters in the word racer. Set C is the set of positive multiples of 5. Or D, set D is the set of names of the fingers. What is the correct answer? Yes, very good. D is the correct answer. Unlike the other sets, the cardinality of set D is 5. Set A has 4 elements. That is, set A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B has also 4 elements. Because although racer is a 5-letter word, the element R must only be written once. Thus, set B has elements R, A, C, E. On the other hand, the third set, set C, has infinite elements. Thus, its cardinality is not also equal to 5. Option D has a total of 5 elements, namely thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. To completely grasp this concept, let us have more examples. In this activity, we need to find the cardinality of the following sets. Set R is the set of letters in the word difficulty. To solve it, you need to list down all the letters in the word difficulty regardless if the letter repeats. Set R contains the elements D, I, F, C, U, L, T, and Y. Therefore, the answer is N of R is equal to 8. Set M is the set of odd numbers between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are consecutive odd numbers, and there are no more odd numbers between them.
So, set M has no elements, and the answer is N of M is equal to 0.
Set K is the set of counting numbers less than 5. To solve, you need to list down all the numbers less than 5. So, K contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the answer is n of k is equal to 4. Alfred Whitehead once said, "To see what is general in what is particular, and what is permanent in what is transitory is the aim of scientific thought." As a philosopher-mathematician, he believes your knowledge of the particular facts of the world around you is gained from your very own sensations. We use sets and its related concepts in other fields. At this point, we will answer the following questions to evaluate what you have learned about sets. Are you ready? Sit in a minute. Can you try answering the following for just a minute? Select the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Timer! First question. Which of the following is a well-defined set? A. A set of good writers. B. A set of factors of 10. C. A set of fashionable actresses in our country. Number 2. Which of the following is a symbol of null set? Look at your screen for the options. Number 3. Michelle listed the set of letters of survivor as shown in your screen. What is wrong with the set? A. It uses commas. B. It uses braces. C. Some objects in the list are not listed once. Or D. A lowercase letter is used to represent the name of the set. Question number 4. Given the set of letters in the word love, what is the cardinality of the set? A. 11. B. 8. C. 6. Or D. 4. Let's check your test. Be precise and truthful, okay? The correct answers are number 1. B. A set of factors of 10 is the well-defined set since, as we used in one of our example, it has shared characteristics. Its elements are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Number 2. The correct answer is D. A symbol for null set is a circle slashed with a slant line in the middle. Number 3. C is the set that is wrong because some objects in the list are not listed once. For number 4, the correct answer is D. 4 is the cardinality of the set of letters in the word love. You should congratulate yourself if you have a good grasp of sets and its related concepts. I am delighted to be with you today. We will learn more about sets in our next episode, and you will be introduced to set operations and Venn diagrams. Again, this is Miss DJ. I wish you all a blessed day, and I hope to see you again here in Math Galing. Kita Kids in Ep1 TV!